Let's talk about this transform tool, that is move, rotate, scale, and multi-tool. For beginning, going to primitives and simple drag and drop cube in the scene. You can see we have a 3 gizmo that you can move it, the object, its default moving object up. It's a y-axis. Remember that is a green. X-axis is a red, you can see, and the z-axis is blue. From here, you can change manually this movement or type any number that you want. You can see. If you select the object from here, we have a different setting. But if you select object in a scene, just we have position, rotation, and a scale parameter. You can see. You can go to asset properties of that from here. It's very easy. Or you can click on here or just click there. From here, you can go to AI edit. If you want, you can tell the AI to change the setting. That I will explain it later. From here. So select it, just move and rotate and scale. It's very easy. You can go to rotate tool, and now you can easily rotate your object based on any axis that you want. From here, it's very important. For example, if you rotate it in this axis, you can see the axes are not changing because it's a word. It's lock on a word of the software. But if you from the here change it to the local, you can see the axis will be changed locally with the object. It's better seeing in this direction. But if you go to the rotate, it will be turn it off here. On or off. The scale, you can scale it locally. It's just in rotation. You can turn it on or off, and then you can I don't know why just in a rotation is there, but I think it's a bug. It always has to be there. But you can scale in any direction locally or by changing these handles. And you can, for bringing back, you can type all number to 1 and all rotation from here to 0. Type, you can type a number to bringing back. But if you want to have all tool at once, you can click multi-tool. This multi-tool, you can scale object in any direction that you want. Not only at the center, you can change it. Make sure that you are looking this way and bring that. You can click any of these handles and change it. Or you can rotate it in any axis that you want. If you going up and look at the top, it will be automatically changed at the top. Nice. And here you can I think it's a bad bug. If you are in a 2D, you can change the from here you can change the z-axis of the object. Unfortunately, I think in this version we have a bug. I cannot change it properly. From this angle, and you can rotate it, and you can see we cannot see it's good. It's bad for this tool from now. You can see I cannot select it. I don't know why. Okay, but remember, if you, for example, rotate in this angle, it will be changed in this angle, and you can scale it in any direction that you want, or rotate it, or change it in the axis of that. And that's it.